The government of Ghana has just partnered with Japan to launch the construction of a majestic bridge which spans the Volta Lake. This is intended to link the various regions along the Volta Lake and make the lake a more usable resource for economic impact. On June 3, 2025, Japan further stressed on its commitment to finance the Volta Bridge, a flagship project under President John Dramani Mahama's Big Push initiative. The partnership with the Japan International Cooperation Agency is set to construct Ghana's longest bridge ever, revolutionizing the Eastern Corridor and making the government's vision to utilize the Volta Lake as an economic hub a reality. But before we delve deeper, please like this video to inform others as well, and also subscribe to this channel as this is very interesting information that you wouldn't want to miss. Let's get straight into it. On June 3, 2025, Miyazaki Kachura, Senior Executive Vice President of JICA, met President John Dramani Mahama at the Jubilee House, pledging Japan's support for the Volta Bridge, a critical component of Ghana's Eastern Corridor road network. This 540-meter cable-stayed bridge, the longest ever of its kind in Ghana, will connect Volta and Dofo Adedome, easing congestion on the aging Adome Bridge. As a cornerstone of the Big Push initiative, which allocates $2 billion annually over 5 years for infrastructure, the bridge aims to enhance transportation, trade and regional integration. A JICA technical team will assess funding needs, with construction set to commence soon after. Mahama's acceptance of an invitation to the 9th decade in August underscores his commitment to securing the funds. Building on his 2016 diplomacy, this is a bold step towards a connected Ghana because constructing a bridge across the Volta Lake has much to benefit the nation, easing the congestion on the Adome Bridge and also making the Volta Lake more economically viable. The Volta Bridge, which is said to be the longest bridge ever in Ghana, will span the length of the Volta Lake. It is designed to address Ghana's infrastructural gaps and unlock economic potential. The Eastern Corridor, linking the Temaport to Burkina Faso, handles 20% of Ghana's freight, but it is hindered by the Adome Bridge deterioration because that is the only bridge in Ghana, so we have to think ahead. The new bridge will reduce travel time, saving millions annually in logistics cost. It will serve the residents in the area and boost trade with northern countries like Burkina Faso and Niger. The project includes 66.7 kilometers of connecting roads, co-financed by the African Development Bank, enhancing access to markets and healthcare by formalizing tolling. The bridge will generate substantial millions yearly for repayments. This aligns with Mahama's vision to make Ghana a West African transport hub, fostering socio-economic growth and regional equity with strategic foresight. The economic benefits for this project are profound because just making the Volta Lake an economic powerhouse will ease transportation significantly in the country. The Volta Lake will be a hub for ferries and also road transport, with this Volta Bridge spanning the entirety of the Volta Lake. Just as with other projects, the construction phase will lead to direct jobs in construction and indirect jobs to transport and services, addressing the unemployment rate, however minute it might be. Freight efficiency will also increase because goods and cocoa will be exported swiftly because moving along the Volta Lake would be made easier. Also, the local contractors in Ho will earn millions, prioritizing Ghanaian businesses who will be taking care of this endeavor alongside the Japanese. Reduced travel costs will save commuters, boosting disposable incomes. The bridge will elevate Ghana and utilize the Volta Lake, positioning it as a trade getaway to landlocked neighbors. Also, tourist destinations sprawl along the Volta Lake. With this will aid in accessing all these sites. The initiative is a powerful driver of national wealth and regional commerce, setting a new standard for infrastructural investment, as the lake has not been utilized in this manner before, with the exclusion of the Adome Bridge, which has long served this purpose and needs support across the lake. The project is a linchpin project to boost tourism along the Volta Lake and also to make the lake an economic hub. The Volta Bridge will link Volta, Oti and the northern regions, handling 71% of the cargo tracks shifting from the central corridor. It will connect 2 million residents to the Temaport, inadvertently reducing the congestion of the Temaport. In Ho, enhanced trade routes will generate millions for local markets. The bridge's intended bicycle lanes and pedestrian walkways will serve thousands of daily users, improving the safety of the current walkways. Digital toll systems will streamline revenue. The initiative complements the Volta Lake Economic Corridor, easing road pressure with lake transport. Partnerships with chiefs in Volivo will ensure that the communities support the project, given that the vast majority hearing this project are already in support. This project is sure to forge a seamless transport network, stretching ties with Burkina Faso and Niger, as well as Ghana's southern and northern corridors, all passing through the eastern region. The bridge prioritizes Ghana's communities. In Volivo, residents will access markets, boosting incomes. In Dofo Adidome, new roads will serve farmers, which will increase yields. Construction jobs will employ thousands of youth, adding significant money to the local economy. Women in trading will also gain from faster market access, enhancing economic empowerment. The project will benefit the communities from improved connectivity. The funding framework is solid, as the Japanese Association is going to invest millions as loans for this project, which is already secured, and the Japanese Association has reaffirmed their commitment to seeing this project through. The 2025 budget also allocated millions for the preliminary works, with GK's technical team assessing additional needs. Local firms managing the construction will all receive mobilization fees as always, which will address any form of delays that this project might face once it's commenced. The Ghana Highway Authority's oversight will also ensure transparency. Japanese technology being partnered with this project includes their cable stay design, guaranteeing durability. Mohammed's TICAD visit will finalize the funding. The commitment to swift execution is a model for international collaboration. That is why Ghana is partnering with Japan to see that this project is carried through, however swiftly it might be, ensuring the bridge's completion once this project is carried out. This is a meticulously planned effort to deliver lasting impact. As Mahama has already said, he is aiming to make the Volta Lake an economic hub, and this all forms part of that initiative. The Big Push agenda is building on his 2013 to 2016 term, which delivered the Adome Bridge rehabilitation. The Japanese Association's partnership, led by Miyazaki Katsura, reflects Japan's trust in Ghana's vision. Strengthened by the TICAD's framework, digital monitoring system will align with Ghana's tech-driven goals. This project blends strategic leadership and global partnership, forging a legacy of connectivity. The people of Ghana are very fascinated to see this project being carried through, because transforming the Volta Lake would mean a lot of economic opportunities for a lot of Ghanaians. The bridge will transform lives, and in OT, thousands of traders will access the Tema port, boosting incomes. In the Volta region, reduced travel times will save millions yearly, as well as ease of access for students across the lake. The Volivo Bridge, once construction is commenced and completed, will be a historic achievement. The Eastern Corridor, planned since the 1960s, has been limited by the Adome Bridge, built in 1956. The loan agreement marks a turning point, serving Ghana's 35 million population. This is an infrastructural triumph. The focus on trade and equity is a bold step towards regional integration. The timing is also vital, as with other projects. Ghana's partnership with Japan to build the Volivo Bridge is a bold vision, enhancing connectivity, creating jobs and fostering unity. It's a moment of national pride, shaping a prosperous future. While this project has undergone all the testing by the JICA technical team, construction will soon follow suit. We only hope that this project is carried out to the latter and the utilization of the Volta Lake see the light of day. Let me know what you think about the Volivo Bridge, building Ghana's longest ever bridge along the Volta Lake. Share your thoughts in the comment section below and let it be known. Also, smash the like button right down there to inform others on this partnership between Ghana and Japan that is building the longest ever bridge along the Volta Lake. Subscribe to this channel as we intend on bringing you interesting content. Always check out this next video on other amazing projects happening right here in Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.